Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chords Guitar. Hannah Bahng. We have this young artist, Australian slash Korean, and she does the song called Misunderstood. I think I understand Hannah. She's great, and she does this little bit rockish, futuristic song here, and I like it, so I thought, why not? Let's bring it in here. So let's do this together. You can see here, no need for any capo. We're just going clean, and we're gonna go through the chords. So let's start with A minor first. All right, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We also got the C major 7, so the difference there is to take away this first B and make that open, and that's the C major 7. Everything else is exactly the same. We have the G chord next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We got the D next, so that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. The D minor next, the only difference there is the second E goes to the first E, and you need to recuperate your fingers a little bit like this, okay? So that will be open D, second G, third B, and now first E. Then we got the F chord, and that will be a bar. So you place the next finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. Okay, so the final two chords, guys, we have the E, and that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then you got the E minor. You just take away this first fret G string, make that open. Everything else is the same, and voila, we have this E minor, and that's the last chord. So let's go into this tutorial and learn the strumming. It's very simple. If you grab the first chord, A minor here, that will be one round of 4 down, so like that. And notice I'm playing on the bass strings for all of these downs except from the third down. I play on the higher strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is one string around. And that gives us this certain rhythm of. Alright, so there you have it. Now let's go into the first verse, and it's about 4 rounds in total. The first 2 rounds are played in the same way. It's A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, G, 2, and D, 2. That's the first 2 rounds. The 2 last rounds are played in the same way, but except from the last chord. You make that D to D minor instead. So A minor 2, C2, G2, and D minor 2. That's the last 2 rounds. A total of 4. So first 2 rounds goes like this. And the last 2 rounds with D minor in the end. Play that, and that's the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus at 34 seconds in. Feels like I'm losing control, I believe is where we are in the lyrics. Now you're gonna play F 4 string rounds, G 2, and E minor 2. You play that for 2 rounds. So one round goes like this. Then you just repeat that F4, G2, E minor 2 for the second round, and that is the pre-chorus. Then comes the first chorus here, and again it's about 4 rounds in total. So the first, the second, and the final round, okay, so round 1, 2, and 4, they're played in the same way. You're gonna play A minor 2, the C major 7, 2, G2, and D minor 2. So like this. Okay, so you play that for round 1, 2, and 4. But you need to tuck in the third round in there, and the only difference there is you replace that C major 7 with the E instead. So A minor 2, E2, G2, and D minor 2, like this. All right. Yes, so there you have the chorus in total, and we're gonna turn into this second round of everything. I can just mention the fourth and final round there in the chorus. Instead of playing 2 string rounds of that ending D minor, you just play 1 down with a pause. And that marks out the end of the first round. So, into the second round now. You're going to play the second verse exactly in the same way as you learned the first one. No changes there. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. So, everything just repeats itself in the second round. Then we hit the final stages of the song. We will have the outro. And what you're going to play here is the chord progression of A minor. Then comes the C. The C major 7, sorry, and then comes the G, and then the D minor, okay? What you're gonna play here is a little bit different, because you're gonna play A minor, 2 downs with a pause. Then comes the C in the same way, 2 downs with a pause. And then you play the G for 2 string rounds. And then the D minor, 2 string rounds. That is 1 round. You're gonna play this for 4 rounds. So and after these 4 rounds, guys, guess what? You have finished Hannah Bahng's song called Misunderstood. Alright, so pretty straightforward song, I can say. We have the chords, they're played pretty much in the same way with this 4 downs of strumming through the entire song. So give it a shot if you like her songs, and yeah, please tell me what you thought about this tutorial as well. I appreciate that. So thank you so much, guys. Hope to be back soon and see you here, and play tuned.